Right, I said I'd come back and just show you how to do those butterflies. They are really, I mean, you can use a die, of course you can. Now I'm going to cut mine out by hand when I've finished. But in order to make a little butterfly, and they are very simple, get your favourite paper, whichever you want to choose. I'm just cutting a strip. Okay. There we go. Now, where's my water bottle, which is here? Okay, spray it with water. Turn it over. Like that. And leave that a couple of minutes. Or a few seconds, should I say. I'm going to make them we'll do oh look, mine's, oh, it's got colour on it, that'll do. Doesn't matter if it's anything like that. Look, you can do them all you like. Do whatever you want to them. Right, so what we're going to do now is just to, where's my mat? Right, just dry them off. Turn them over. That'll do. Then what you want to do is scrumple them up. Let's do that. Oh, I've just found a bead. And, oh, so daisy. I need a pearl. Squeeze them tightly because they've got a texture to them. See? And then what you do is you carefully undo them. So you've got that texture in your paper. Can you see this? I hope you can. It's really windy today, really windy. And my birds won't even sit on the branches because it's too windy for them. Right, I'm going to take one, fold it in half. Okay, if you're not confident in cutting out, you can draw your shape. Okay, so I'm just going to do mine, oh, just a roughly. Just a rough shape. I'm not even going to follow that shape properly. So, that's my shape, butterfly, okay? Let's do, we want another one, don't we? Yeah, we want another one. I'm just going to use that as a template, only because I do want them to sit on top of each other. We're going to double layer them. They don't have to be perfect, but having them near enough. Do you know, I can't even see me, look. Missed that bit. Ha ha. Okie dokie, so I'll just show it with these. So we've got these two. Right, like that. Okay, like that. Round them off. Then what I'm going to do is take my spike, just something to hold it down. Dry this one. Well, I would if it were plugged in. There we go. Dry this off. And you start to see it shrinking with the heat. Look, and it's... Can you see this? Yeah. So I've just cut these slightly bigger than what mine were before. Now, what I'm going to do with this one, I haven't quite cut this bit. Like that, okay. So now they're quite firm. They firm up a lot better. But I obviously need one on top of the other. Okay, like that. Now, let me just see. I'm going to have this one as the bottom one. Sorry, let me get the new glue stick. Oh, actually, before we do that, let me just use my ink pad. Now, what I can do with an ink pad is you can dab it all over, spray your water on, and it'll disperse the colour. And you can keep doing that if you want to. Or I can use my, which I did have. Here we are. I don't know where my handled one is. I'll have to just use this. Just a sponge. Dab that. Darken the edges. Just to give it a bit more life. You put a different colour on. You don't have to have one particular colour. And then what, like I say, I'm going to put this one on the bottom section. A little bit too much glue on there, but it doesn't matter. It'll like that. Oh, and then we want the other bits, don't we? I've got some of these like antennae, but they're just for the centre of flowers. Which actually should have gone in first, in between. So what I might do is just pull that back. Oops, use your fingers, feet. Do you know what? I'm just going to cut that. Why? Because it's easier. And just pop that in there. And pop that one in that side. Like that. See? Just use them. They can be cut down a little bit more if you want. And then, like we say, you can pull the wings up. And you can put your pearly trim in. Or whatever you want, beads, you know, loose beads, whatever you want to do to your butterfly. And make your own. The reason why we wet them is because the paper before it's wet is smooth and, you know, no texture to it. But once you wet it, scrunched it, dried it, it gives it firmness and texture. And you can use them anywhere. So you can use all different kinds of paper, pattern paper, you know, whatever suits you. So I'm just going to do one more. You can bend the wings, do whatever you like with them. But see, you can make your own butterflies. You don't need to buy them. Unless I sell them, that is. Now, please, 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 run along. I found it now, look, it was there. Please, 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 run along to the shop. We have some wonderful, wonderful bargains in. And, I don't think that's the one I cut off of that, isn't it? I don't know what I did with the other one. It disappeared. I don't know, disappeared somewhere. I'll find it when I clean up. Yeah, we've got some great bargains in, and you know, you can do this with flowers as well. I have got dozens of tutorials on flowers. Now, I've just spotted something I didn't put on here. And I'm going to. Remember I made these the other day? I absolutely loved them. And maybe, just maybe, yeah, that might, well, or will that go? I think, no, silver. Silver, I think. Yeah, look, oh, much better. Oh, beautiful. And these can be bent up like that. Beautiful. Right, that's it. And this is coming back to you, Sally. I did small, well, these were bought ones, but I've done them, and I do have tutorials on how to do them. You can use little tabs if you want. Just make your own. Loads of tutorials on butterflies. Like I say, run to the shop and pick up some bargains. And watch out for the new stuff that's coming in. It's going to be a couple of weeks yet, but yeah, we've got a lot of new things coming in. I've just found some. See, I just spot things here and there. See, it's off a bracelet, but you know what? I just think it'll look nice with them. Hang on, that's not quite fitted in there. I'm just going to bling that up a bit. I just wanted to put a little bit of bling, scatter it about. Let's have a look. I know I've got more of those. Yeah, we've got some awesome goodies in the shop right now, and if you don't grab them, somebody else will, and then you'll go, oh, I wish I'd grabbed it, see? Aye. There we go. I've got another one. Just as a little bit extra bling, I'm going to put one here. Right there, a little bit extra bling. Take that excess off. Good job I've got a nail, or part of a nail. Yeah. Thanks for watching, take care, drop by the store, pick up a bargain, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.